Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is the unboxing for February's stationery selection box. And this month it's quite small compared to the other months, and you will see why. So as always, I will just go down the information sheet. I did forget the stickers though. So just giving you the heads up that these stickers are missing from the description sheet here. So the first thing on here is the Alpha pen, and I've received several comments already about this Alpha gel pen. And my colleague, I met the company last year at the exhibition, and my colleague has been using this pen for months now, and it's his go-to pen. And I've received several messages already people wanting to buy refills, and they want to know where you can purchase more of these. So we are in contact with them to see if it's possible to obtain some more. But the neat thing is that they have different numbers and different colors, I believe. I think they do alpha as well, like not just numbers, but like the alphabet as well. But it is a gel pen, and there is a little, I don't know if you can see that. It is a gel pen, but there is a little piece on the tip there just for protection. Just letting you know that it is brand new, and it has a nice soft matte finish. It's very hard to describe, but it's very soft and matte. And yeah, my coworker has been using it, like I said, for months now, and it doesn't look at all dirty. So I was a little bit worried because it's white, but I'm very excited to include this. Next is the limited edition Midori stapler. You can see there it says limited, and gosh, I reserved this months ago. I want to say like October, something like that. A long time ago, just because I knew that it's limited. It's a limited color, and because I am including the pouch that you'll see coming up soon, I wanted to include something that you can include in your pouch. Whoops. So it's very small, as you can see. Very slim, nice small profile. It doesn't even look like a stapler, but it is a bit hard to use, and because the instructions are kind of in Japanese, it is a bit hard to, I guess, read what's going on here. It says that you can it can staple up to 10 sheets of paper, and here on the back it's to open it up and to lock it. There's already staples included, but I did include, of course, some refills. But to set it up, there is a little notch here. So if you want to close it, you have to keep that notch all the way to the edge, so that it can kind of collapse down. But if you want to use the stapler, you have to, I don't know if you heard that click, you have to push this metal piece downwards this way so that it's ready to staple. Maybe not. Oh, sorry. The staples weren't all the way to the edge there. Sorry about that. So let's try that again. There we go. So you can see, very compact. I love using the stapler in my journals, in my junk journals, just to add like a quick piece of paper. And the fact that you can collapse it down like this into such a small, like my hands are not big at all, and I think it's so neat. That's such a great invention. Whoever thought of this is so, I think it's so cool that you can have this small little stapler handy within reach. So that's what it would usually look like if you were to put it in your pouch open, but to just close it, you kind of, even here it says set. Let me see if I can zoom in here. So even there it says set and then lock. So if you push the metal piece to the left, you set it ready for stapling, and then to lock it closed, you push the metal piece to the right. Hopefully that's kind of clear. So yeah, so that's the Midori limited edition stapler in this beautiful navy color. There's that. Next is of course, the stapler refills. So you'll get a whole bunch of stapler refills. There's 1,000. And because it's so small, the stapler is so small, this is very, very compact and it's not heavy at all. And of course, I wasn't sure if you were able to purchase these size staple. You probably could, but I wasn't sure, so I just decided to include them just in case. Yeah, so there's that. Next is the Sanrio greeting card. It's a beautiful Sakura greeting card, and the Sakura season in Japan is really, really nice. All of the products are already starting to come out onto the shelves, and it's just so pretty. And you can, of course, write your greeting in here, or you can just, I've seen people have it standing on their desk because it's so pretty, which is really nice too. I wish I had an office desk so that I could do that. I just use the kitchen table still. But yes, it's very, very pretty. There's some gold foiling on the Sakura petals and things like that. So, and that's from Sanrio, and it of course comes with the envelope if you decide to send it off to somebody. This one here is the one that I forgot to mention in the description paper. It is a masking sticker set, and they have these really cute illustrations of animals, and I use this often in my Hobonichi Techo. They're made in Japan as well, and I love the fact that they're masking stickers, so they're nice and thin. Let me show you an example in my Hobonichi Techo. So this is my Hobonichi Techo here. As you can see, I've added some stickers. And because I added some watercolor on the background, the stickers, the watercolor is showing through because these are the masking stickers. They're very, very thin. And they're perfect. They look like they're like drawn. Like it's so thin. It looks like you actually drew the image. Let me see. Oh, there's another one here. And they're just perfect size to add. See, like it looks like I drew these little cute. But anyways, yes, I use them often in my Hobonichi Techo here. So this is the one that I forgot to mention. And then lastly, of course, is this beautiful pouch from the Superior Labor. I decided on a different style. I wanted it, because I've already included the pouch in the past in August, I wanted it like a different style pouch. And so I went for the pencil pouch, and I've decided on this color. I met with them last year, September, I think it was, and there's the card there. Yes, I met with them in September. I got to visit their beautiful factory and their store in Okayama. And yes, so it's been months for this to actually come alive, I guess. I don't know if you've noticed, but on the back here is our logo, the Stationery Selection logo. I do wish it was a tad bit smaller, so I'm going to request for that next time. But I've decided on a beautiful golden canvas color in ginkgo. And in the fall time, like in the autumn season here, the streets, or I remember going to like the parks and things, and there's like these beautiful ginkgo leaves all over the floor on the ground, and it's totally different from what I'm used to back home in Canada with all the maple leaves on the floor or on the ground. So this really, really reminds me of Japan, and I went with a nice gray. Someone emailed me, and they said like it kind of catches the light at some points. It looks like it's kind of sparkling, which was so nice to hear. And then I went with like a contrasting navy zipper, which I love. I love this color. I think it went really, really well. I'm really, really in love with this color combination. But yes, this is exclusive to the Stationery Selection. You cannot purchase this anywhere else. I'm very thankful to Esther because she's the one that was able to connect us. And very, very thankful, of course, to Superior Labor for allowing us to collaborate with them and allowing us to create these pouches for you. I I don't know what to say. I'm just very, very thankful. I'm so thankful for all the people that have posted and sent me emails about how much you are enjoying the items in the boxes. I work extremely hard. My colleague and I work extremely hard to get these out to you, and it's one thing to just grab a whole bunch of stationery that, you know, that's out there. You can just put them in a box and then ship them off, but we really do think about what we like and what we enjoy, and adding quality, nice quality items inside. So I hope you do enjoy these boxes. If you have any questions, please feel free to email as always instead of DMing. I respond to emails a lot more quicker. And yeah, I think that's about it. I'm going to try my best. I know there have been requests for the restock of these ones as well. We've completely sold out of the restock of the olive. I'm not going to be bringing that back unless there's like another huge demand, but I don't see myself bringing that one back. But anyways, if please follow us on the you can follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook, but you can also check out our blog. Sorry, you can also check out our website. We will be adding some store items as well, which is very exciting. So stay tuned for that, because I feel like there's a lot more to offer. Like, the stationery in Japan is so good, and there's a lot more to offer. And I want to be able to share that with you and not just restrict myself to the monthly boxes. And people that purchase these monthly boxes, you can easily add these items to your cart and then have like the free shipping and stuff. So anyways, that's more to come on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.